This is a brand new 2013 Ford F-150. This truck has an automatic transmission and a 5.0-liter V8. Its top features include a double wishbone independent front suspension, a locking differential, power adjustable driver pedals, traction control and stability control systems, 100% commercial-free Sirius satellite radio, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: air conditioning, cruise control, heated side view mirrors, a trailer hitch receiver, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, a passenger side vanity mirror, fog lamps, an anti-lock braking system, a keyless entry system, and an auxiliary power outlet. This vehicle won't last long at this price. Call and arrange a test drive now.
Superior Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 491 Highway 412 East in Siloam Springs.